This phantom wallet, $5.9 million, all made from meme coin deving. Not by guessing, not by waiting on charts, just a process that works whenever you want. If you are ready to see exactly how it's done, let's jump in. Just a couple months ago, when I first started making money with crypto, I chased every new meme coin thinking I'd make it big. I'd buy inside a coin, and just a couple minutes later, guess what? I got completely dumped on. Just like this coin right here. Now I could find something better. This coin right here seems more like it. Basically, I'd buy in and then I'd get completely dumped on every single meme coin. I'm sure this happened to you guys at least a couple times. And that's exactly when I learned the people making real money are not the traders. They're the launchers. Because when you are launching your own coins, you decide everything. You are the guy behind the coin. You decide the supply, the narrative, and the timing. You create everything. You are not risking anything from your own pockets because you are the one who created it for free and you are the one who is dumping it for money. And that's the reason why I switched from trading to launching, because now I can turn $50 into a couple $1,000 or even $0 into $1,000 on repeat. You can launch coins over and over again and make some bread. That's exactly why I switched. And with Solana going high and Bitcoin pumping, it's the best time to start deving. You guys will see why. And just a friendly reminder, this content is purely for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and everything was made with AI. All cap! Now, how do you even create a meme coin on the Solana blockchain? Now, first of all, you do not want to be using Pump.Fun, because Pump.Fun looks fun until you realize it's too overcrowded. For example, there's thousands of coins launching every single day, and most are dying in minutes. And you don't even control your own coins for your own launches. That's fucking ass. For example, if you launch a meme coin and a couple thousand people buy in and you're up a couple $1,000, well, you cannot even remove that money because you're not the person who is controlling it. It's not you, it's Pump.Fun. And that's exactly why I despise this platform, and that's exactly why I switched to create token.Io, because on this platform is completely different. All your coins launches directly onto Radium, which means it will skip the migration phase and it will go directly onto the Radium DEX, which means your token is live and tradable instantly and viewed to thousands of potential trenchers every single second. That gives you real volume, real buyers, and a bunch more control on your money. That's exactly why Create token.Io is the new method for devs in 2025. But anyways, on Create token.Io, you've got two clean ways to dev a meme coin. The first way is obvious, and that's to make a coin from scratch. So first of all, go on X, right? I like to go on X personally, or you can go on Instagram or TikTok and look for something trending to make a meme coin out of. It could be literally anything. For example, 18 minutes ago, Elon Musk just made a tweet on this rocket launch, and I swear to God, bro, I'm almost 100% sure someone made a coin on this and he printed thousands of dollars, because if you guys don't know, Elon Musk tweets do absolutely insane on meme coins. All you have to do is literally just screenshot here, come back to Create token.Io, invent a name, add the symbol for the coin. So for example, it would be Elon launch, and then token symbol, rocket, and then you would take a quick screenshot of this right here, boom, save it in your PC just like this, for example. After that, you would plug it in the website, and just like that, your coin is custom created after a couple more steps right here. But the second method, bro, trust me right here, is my preferred method. It's the most profitable, and that's by copying trending coins that already work. Now, all these coins right here, okay, are all already hot on Pump.Fun. All you have to do is just copy one, launch it instantly to Radium, and since they already have volume and attention, these coins are already proven to go viral, you'll get instant buyers and way more profits from the start. You guys will see why copying coins is the play. Okay, let's stop wasting time and let's make this coin real. I'm gonna launch a token right now so you can see exactly how smooth the entire process is to making some bread. So first of all, make sure your Phantom Wallet is connected to the website, then click on refresh list, the button right here, to have all the new coins, and let's look for a coin to copy. I could go for anything. I'm gonna copy the lucky coin. It has a last buy 3 seconds ago and a $20,000 market cap, which is decent. So click on create coin. Oh yeah, and also it's a dog, so that adds a bit of value. Now ignore the request block from Phantom. It's completely normal. Okay, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied on the blockchain. I will even show you guys some proof. If I go on SoloScan, you guys will see that it's on the blockchain, it's legit. But anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool for our token. Now this step's easy. We're just creating liquidity for a coin, which is what gives your token a live market on the Rhythm DEX, so anyone can trade it instantly. Now there's 2 simple steps. Okay, token A, just click the 90% button, which will drop 900 million coins to the pool. Right under for the token B, think of it as the starter position in your own project. You are basically your own first investor in your own token. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and do not worry about it. When you pull the liquidity later, you get that SOL right back inside your wallet. Now I'm gonna put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more to be safe, and then click on create pool. After that, click on confirm. When that's done, right below, click on refresh and then scroll down, and boom, the lucky coin is live. It's in the Rhythm pools, and you can even find it on the migrate section, on Axiom, on NeoBullX, on Photon, wherever you want. Now click on view on before we're going to check our profits. Now click on refresh to refresh our profits. And now, as you guys can see, we are up $190 in USD because people are now buying inside our coin as we speak. Click on view on Photon to see the chart, or copy paste the address in Axiom. Let me go on full screen for a better view. And now, as you guys can see, the coin is on live. We're already up a couple $100. Come on. Oh my god, bro, let's go. Pump, pump, pump. Come on, come on. Okay, 1.5k market cap. Okay, things are looking good. Now, the chart. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck? We just got a big fat buy. Okay, now let's dump the coin. Actually, no. I'm gonna give this coin more time for it to pump. Come on, I am not greedy, okay? It literally costed us $0 to create this coin, so all of this is pure profits. Come on, and this is why I love this strategy. You can just, copy coins over and over again. Come on, and then repeat and repeat and repeat until you are satisfied with your portfolio. That's how I made, most of my bread. Come on, $40. That's not bad. 1.8k in liquidity. Shout out to create token.io. By the way, I am not affiliated with them, okay? Some people say that I'm sponsored by them, but no, I do not own the website. I do not work for them. I simply just use it to make some money, and I'm sure you guys will do. So yeah, I'm gonna be right back when the chart is higher. Okay guys, I am back. The coin absolutely exploded after a couple more minutes. The chart looks like this. 4k in market cap, 1.8k in liquidity. Yeah, this is wraps, bro. This is easy bread. Now come back to create tokens.io and then click on the refresh button to see your PNL. And as you guys can see, we're up $1,900. As simple as that. 1.7k, 4k, yup. By the way, it's all for educational purposes only. Now, anyways, click on the minus button, do 100%. Click on the red button to remove the money. And now, as you guys can see, we are going to receive like 9 SOL around there. Click on confirm. And boom! Bang! That's exactly how you make money from deving meme coins, bro. I am the #1 certified Endeavor. Now click under Phantom Wallet to see your profits, and boom, $1,800 just got transferred in your wallet, bro. You guys need to tap in and lock in on this method before it gets oversaturated, bro. Let's go, and it's real. And by the way, if you want to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and join my Telegram down below for more information. And yeah, bro, peace.